I couldn't believe it this morning. L'Oreal's on the deck. Yeah, he's so awesome. I get happy every time I see him. I saw him yesterday too, and I hadn't seen him in a while, so I thought it was gonna be another few months, but he showed back up. There he is. I had ordered 2 squirrel houses that were bigger than the usuals, but look at this. I heard the Amazon guy puffing and puffing, trying to carry these to the porch. I mean, how are we gonna hang these squirrel cabins? My guy that I bring here to do them, he's about 4 feet tall. Maybe not 4, but slightly over 5. So I don't know how I'm gonna get him to haul these things up on a tree and hang them. So I'm up on the ladder with my glove on so I can't unzoom. Okay, so I'm up on the ladder and I just put leaves in here, and I've got this guy down here, a couple of guys waiting on me. You want something? You want me to drop it? You gonna climb up and get it? You gonna climb up and get it? Come on. Come on. You got it. He knew right where it would come out. That was pretty cool. This guy down there. You want to come out? Come. Where'd you go? Squirrel. Oh, you went over here? I guess I'm getting some different footage from up here. One of the looks like Bobby Brown with an eye is right there. It's nighttime. This is Pippi and I at night, and she's on her new thing that I built for her. She likes it. I'm so happy she likes it. But there's like a lot of ways to get in there, but no way a hawk's gonna get in there, and she likes to just sit on it and eat. So that's cool. I was on another floor and I heard someone was in here, but unusually they decided to eat here instead of here. So all the shells ended up there. I love that they know they have somewhere they can go and just be safe. I just saw this too. So somebody was, and I just used this vacuum this morning to pick up some shells from last night. So that means somebody sat here and there, maybe the same guy. It's just funny to picture. I really need to set up cameras in here for when I'm not here to see what happens. Because it's funny to me, there's all these shells here and none over here. So somebody just went back and forth to eat like that. They love the vacuum cleaner. It is the best ad for Stanley ever. Actually, maybe it's not such a great ad for Stanley now that I look at it. Like there's just a mess all around it and it's a vacuum cleaner. That's kind of funny. I'm gonna see if I can get how Splunk turns his head. He always turns it very slowly and deliberately and looks me right in the eye. He's been here for like an hour now. There, see how he does? It's Saturday, and so I'm able to come outside and just not, work. And it's been really awesome. This one growls at me. Come here. Come here. I was inside, I was gonna eat, and I told this guy, Rio does not want to have sex with you. And I come out because here's this guy chasing around Rio, and it's Mrs. Brown's boyfriend. Mrs. Brown's boyfriend. How would Mrs. Brown feel about this? And besides, Rio's not into it. Hey, Rio, it's Mrs. Brown's boyfriend. No, Rio doesn't want to have your babies. You ready, Rio? Sorry about him. He's like that. Oh, man. Okay, he's got a nut, Rio. Can you come out now? Mrs. Brown's boyfriend's over there. Oh, great. Now we got the alarms going off. Rio's probably never going to come here again. Rio! Rio went running under here. Can you believe that? Just like a 1950s or 1960s or whenever they had those air raid sirens. She went running under here. How cool is that? See if I can get a nut under there. Rio! I just built that new hide today. There she goes. I shouldn't have thrown it. Right there is the possible infiltrator on the right. Pippi's on the left. I just gave her a nut. It's the end of the night. And we have to keep everyone away from her place. There. You can't just run away from the nut. I'm not that rich. See, me standing here is not helping. There's Pippi. She's running up. She's going to get in. Okay, you can see up there right now, there's an infiltrator trying to get in. That's where Pippi lives. And there's somebody trying to get in, and that's why she can't leave. They sit there parked right outside, trying to take over, hoping she'll come out so they can take over. And then she won't be able to get back in. Okay, you can still see the infiltrator up there. And I just saw someone else come up the tree too, a second one. There's two infiltrators that are constantly trying to get in. So that's how Pippi gets held hostage, and she can't even leave because they sit right like that, right outside her entrance. So if she leaves, she can't get back. Right in the center there, you see that tail sticking out? They just park there and wait for her. Well, we got issues over here. If I wait long enough, they'll start making noise again. We got Condo Girl. Thankfully, she has her own place. But she can only leave at night to come see me because she has to guard it all day. You can hear him crying to get in. It's the end of the night and someone's gathering leaves for warmth. Thankfully it won't be that cold tonight. That's Hand Guy. I can tell by where he's going. He's going to Hand Guy's tree, which is actually a girl. Hey, Condo Girl, I'm trying to make my camera work in the dark here.